What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you some skills that you can do at home. You might be bored and might not have anything to do, or maybe you want to learn something new. So I'm going to be showing you some beginner skills that you can learn at home with just your body weight. Now these, like I said, are for beginners, but anyone can learn these. So if you're ready to learn some skills, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Let's get into the first one. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is a great handstand or yoga move. It's called the frog stand, or some people call it crow. It's a great beginner if you want to learn the handstands. It's also a great beginner for you to strengthen your shoulders, your core, help you get into that position if you've ever wanted to learn into a handstand or go from other variations from the frog or crow. So what you want to do is go into like a frog stand, frog-like position. You want to make sure that you're resting your knees on your elbows or on your triceps, and then you want to lean forward while keeping your hips high. Bend your arms a little bit, take one leg off, and then take the other one off. So when doing this move, you want to make sure that you're leaning forward with your shoulders, or if you don't, you will topple over or you'll just fall back the other way. Now this can be scary at first, especially if you're a beginner and you might not have that control, but with time you should be able to get your core stronger and your tension stronger in order to lean forward and not be scared to fall over. But it is okay to fall over, because that's part of the progress. So I'm going to show you one more time. So make sure, like I said, also make sure you stretch your wrist before you do all this, because you want to prevent injury. So do some wrist circles, some of these. Just make sure your wrist is flexible. So you want to make sure you squeeze the ground, rest your knees on your triceps, bend your arms, take one leg off while leaning forward, and then take the other one off. And then if you want to move into a harder progression, you can try taking one knee off to give you more tension and give you more control. So you would just do the same thing, and then take one knee off and try to balance. Maybe bring this one to the middle, to the out, depending on how you want to do it. So that is the first skill. It's called the frog stand or crow, depending if you're calisthenics or yoga. So the next skill is going to be called the bent arm planche. Now this is a great skill to learn, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you want to learn the planche. It'll help you get your bent arm strength stronger. It'll help you get your shoulder strength stronger. If you want to learn other things like press handstand or bent arm press handstand, it's a great move to learn to strengthen your shoulders, your core, your shoulders. So what you want to do is go into a planche lean position, and from there you will lean forward and then try to raise your legs up off the ground. This can be a hard move to learn, especially a beginner, because you're having to lean forward a lot with your shoulders and having to flex your core the whole time and your body. So some progressions you can do is go into a tuck version. So you would just bend your arms and just try to hold the whole time. It's okay to hold only if you're only going to hold it for a second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. With time, you'll be able to strengthen it and learn learn how to extend your legs out with time. So you can go into a bent arm, and then if you're comfortable, maybe extend one leg out. Just try to extend each time you're doing it, and then with time, you can go into straddle, or into a bent arm, and then try to extend one leg out, and just hold that way. Or you can go into straddle, same thing. Extend out, see what is hard and what's easy for you, depending on your level. And then once you figure out which one's your level, and each time you progress, you can go into full. So I like going this way. Now to make this a lot easier, instead of having your arms outward, you can have them inward into your stomach. It'll help you with if you're having trouble lifting your legs up and leaning forward. So same thing, except that you would bring your knee or your elbows inward and just try to lift and lean with your shoulders and lift with your core and your legs. This will help you be able to lean with your shoulders, help you with your core strength, help you bring your legs up. So those are some skill workouts that you can, or calisthenics skills that you can do at home. Like I said, it just requires your body weight. It's a really great moves to learn, especially if you're into calisthenics, bodybuilding, or even yoga, or even just gymnastics. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.